Hello class 10 students. Today I am starting female reproductive system. This female reproductive system consists of ovary, which is one pair, oviduct, which is also one pair. This oviduct is also known as fallopian tube. Third one, uterus. Its number is 1. Fourth one, cervix. It is also 1. And fifth one, vagina. Its number is also 1. That means female reproductive system consists of one pair of ovary, one pair of oviduct, one uterus, one cervix and one vagina. How these organs are arranged in female reproductive system you can see in the diagram. This is ovary, which is main reproductive organ. Ovary leads into oviduct, oviduct into uterus, uterus opens into vagina through the cervix and vagina opens to outside. Let us start one by one about these organs. Have a look on female reproductive system. This is diagrammatic view of female reproductive system. In this diagram, front view of female reproductive system is shown. You can see here one pair of ovary. Each ovary lead into oviduct, oviduct into uterus, uterus into cervix and then vagina, vagina opens to outside. Now let us start one by one different organs of female reproductive system. I am starting from ovary. Ovary is the main reproductive organ. What is its position in female body? Actually, ovary lies lower abdominal cavity. Its number is 2. Its shape is almond shape. When females are born, all females are born with almost 500,000 of immature ova or into ovaries. When a female attains puberty, what happens? One of the ovary release one ovum. Here, unlike male, where millions of sperms are released at a time, here only one ovum is released by ovary. What is the role of ovary? Actually, it performs dual function. First one, they produce female sex cell or ova. Second one, it produces two hormones. First one is called estrogen and second one is called progesterone. What are the role of estrogen? Actually, estrogen is responsible for secondary sexual character of female and it is also responsible for the development, growth and development of ovarian follicle so that it can mature and it can be able to release it. Now come to the progesterone. What is the role of progesterone? Progesterone is responsible for maintaining pregnancy in female body. Now look at the oviduct or fallopian tube. Here you can see this is the oviduct. Tubular structure is oviduct. It originates from the uterus and extended to the ovary. Its terminal end has a finger-like projection which is called fimbriae. It is called fimbriae. What is the role of this? Actually, this fimbriae pick up the ovum and pushes it into the oviduct. What is the main role of oviduct? Actually, its main role, if ovum will be released here and at the same time, if matured ovum is released there and at the same time sperm is present there, in that condition fertilization occur in the oviduct or fallopian tube. Now look at the uterus. You can see in the diagram, uterus is hollow muscular structure. Actually, what is the role of uterus? Uterus prepare its wall. You can see here, this is the wall of uterus, which is also called endometrium. It prepare its wall each month for pregnancy. Why? It looks thickened because fertilized egg can easily implant in the wall of uterus. Endometrium each month becomes highly thick, muscular, highly thick, vascular, so that fertilized egg can easily be implanted here. This uterus leads into vagina through the cervix. You can see in the diagram. Now look at the vagina. Uterus leads into vagina through the cervix. As you know, vagina is muscular tubular structure, which is also known as birth canal, because during the childbirth it provides a passage. It also provides a passage during menstrual flow. Now look at the function of different organs of female reproductive system in tabular form. First, we will start from ovary. Its function is to release one ovum each month, and second one, it secretes two hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Now come to the oviduct. Oviduct also performs two functions. First one, it pick up matured ovum, and second, fertilization occurs if at the same time sperm will be present there. Now come to the uterus. Uterus prepares wall for fertilization. That's why implantation of fertilized egg occurs. Now come to the vagina. If fertilization occurs, it acts as birth canal, and if fertilization not occurs, in that condition it provides passage during menstrual flow. Thank you.